Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on Gerry. We're going to be working on the floor, the seats, and getting everything finalized hopefully today before I can start laying the sheet metal in the floor. What I'm going to be working on is right here on the frame. I need an additional brace, just like the other side has. You can't really see it, but where that rear bar for the seat goes, well, this side doesn't have one. You see here where it's already cleaned up, so I've got to cut a piece to weld in between that bar and the frame. And just like everybody else is running into right now with this COVID-19, everybody's running out of steel. So I've got to use this piece of 1-inch DOM instead of the 1x2 that I was using, as you see, for the rest of it. So it's just going to be basically using up materials that we have and doing the best that we can. So I hope everybody's staying safe out there, and we'll get to doing some work. So one more thing I forgot to mention. I didn't know if it was mentioned in the last video or not, but the welder, the gas valve went bad, so I had to take it apart and replace the gas valve in it. So now that that's back up and running, things should be going a lot better. So we're going to get doing some of that now, and hopefully we can see how far we can get today. Alright guys, I know today wasn't a bunch of exciting things, but I did get a lot of welding done, and still got a few more things, but unfortunately the camera's dying, so we'll have to catch back up with you later. Alright, and don't forget to hit the like button. Lets us know that we're doing alright, and go ahead and give that subscribe button a hit, and do the bell. So that way you make sure that you get any videos from us. Alright, thanks. Have a good day.